The year is 2025. AI has transformed business. Companies that led the revolution will reap the rewards, while others are left deserted in the dust. Now the question is, which side do you want to be on when the AI tidal wave hits? So my name is Tucker Forwerda. I'm a digital marketing consultant, and we've produced millions of dollars in sales by helping our clients and companies grow online. I've made over 7 figures as a digital marketing consultant, and at the time of making this video, I make anywhere between $30,000 to $50,000 per month. And we're on track to doing $50,000 to $75,000 per month during the next 6 to 8 months. For the past 8 years, I've run a digital marketing consulting agency doing it all. Funnels, emails, Facebook ads, you name it. However, everything changed when AI hit the scene. And I quickly realized the potential of AI to not only help myself, but also my clients. Having done everything manually for years, we quickly developed AI processes and systems that allowed us to follow our same launch methods at a fraction of the time that it took. So I adapted. I transformed my agency. And soon we were leveraging the power of AI to produce results faster than ever for both myself and my clients. And we're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue, all thanks to AI automation. And today my agency looks nothing like it did 12 months ago. And now I want to share with you my exact blueprint I've used to grow a wildly profitable AI automation agency step by step, so that you too can ride the wave to success when AI changes the way business performs forever. This is way bigger than funnels, emails, Facebook ads, or anything else like it. AI will revolutionize the way every single business on the planet operates, and agencies leading the change will reap the rewards for years to come. Are you ready to get started? In this video, I'll provide a complete guide to launching your very own profitable AI automation agency, even if you're starting from zero. An AI automation agency partners with businesses to help them leverage AI technology such as machine learning and natural processing. The goal is to reduce expenses and time and boost profits. Now, there are 4 core components of the business model. First, the AI services you offer, such as chatbots, content writing, data analysis, and workflow automation. Second, acquiring clients through partnerships, content marketing, and outreach. Third, pricing and packaging your services based around the value you provide. And fourth, fulfilling on projects based on no-code software and others' expertise. So let's now explore some services that you can offer. Conversational chatbots for customer service, sales, training, and more. AI-enhanced processes to optimize operations. Bundles of AI software tailored to every client's needs. No-code AI software solutions. Content writing and generation through AI copywriting tools. Data analysis, and insights using machine learning. Now, the key is to figure out the client's needs, then prescribe a mix of solutions that will maximize their growth and efficiency. Think of yourself as an AI doctor. You're not going to prescribe medicine to someone without knowing their exact problems, right? This is why most agency owners or consultants fail at closing sales, because they try to pitch based on price instead of pitching on personality. Don't do this. Instead, get to know them, ask personalized questions, create a customized game plan for them that will help them achieve their goals. This is the same exact process that we use to serve our clients. So if you're interested in having a quick call, check out the description below. For client acquisition, I recommend 3 high-impact strategies. First, tap into your warm network. Just as we've been able to help our clients in the past, you have 10,000 to 100 grand worth of business within an arm's reach. Second, partner together with other agencies who already have clients and offer an AI upsell service. Third, create content on social media and put together video tutorials establishing your expertise. This is how you will attract inbound leads. And fourth, targeted outreach by commenting on social media profiles of your niche. You want to make sure that you position yourself as an AI advisor or an AI expert or consultant, and not just an AI service provider. So now let's talk about prices and packaging. When pricing, focus on the value you provide and not the time spent. You'll want to be able to serve more clients while keeping time spent at a minimum. You'll want to charge setup fees, monthly retainer fees, and when the opportunity makes sense, you can charge performance-based fees on the top. We've been able to make $30,000, $50,000, even $120,000 per client by using the following pricing models. For chatbots, charge $1,000 to $3,000 for setup and $500 to $1,000 per month in maintenance. For content, charge $1,500 to $2,500 per month, depending on the quantity. For AI automations, charge 5,000 to 15 grand depending on the complexity. You'll want to offer tiered monthly plans at $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, and $10,000 on up. For AI consulting, where you're consulting for companies or you're doing team trainings, charge between $15,000 and $75,000 with monthly retainer options. You want to make sure that you increase your rates as you build up your experience. Now let's talk about fulfilling on projects. You can either fulfill on the services yourself or hire others to do the work for you. This concept is known as drop servicing. This is when you actually charge higher than what you're willing to pay someone else to do the work for you. You'll want to make sure that you leverage no-code software solutions like Bubble, Zapier, Make, and Stack AI, and you can build these software solutions without any coding experience. You'll want to make sure that you're focusing on selling and strategy. Outsource fulfillment until you've built expertise. Personally, for me, when I first got started, I wanted to learn and master all of the skills so I could keep 100% of the cash flow up front. You'll then want to reinvest back into the business, and you can either create a lifestyle business or a business that you can exit for 2, 3, even 10 times more than what you're making annually. So in short, that covers the complete framework for how to build an AI automation agency. The market potential is massive as every single business needs help and guidance on AI adoption. And you will want to make sure that you position yourself as the go-to expert. Subscribe for more content on elevating your agency. In my next upcoming videos, I'm going to go more in depth on how to get your first clients. The future is now. I hope this video provided a ton of value for you. Please leave your biggest takeaway in the comments and I'll personally respond.